Hi, second graders. So today, hopefully for win time, you completed the very last page in your Elements of Poetry packet. So what is a hyperbole? Hyperbole is when a statement is exaggerated to make a point. Example, I called you 1,000,000 times. That pizza is bigger than Texas. Okay, so a hyperbole is a statement that is exaggerated to make a point. So make sure that you work on this page right here. And then your poem today is called the haiku poem. Okay, so I first want you to do this planning page, the haiku syllable activity. It says to read each line of the haiku poems and record how many syllables are in each line. What do they each have in common? So go ahead and pause this video so that you can do this activity on your own, and then go ahead and play this video so that you can hear what a haiku poem is about. So a haiku poem, the first line has 5 syllables. So if you look at your first example, spring is in the air. How many syllables is that? 5. The next line, flowers are blooming and sweet. How many syllables is that? 7. The last line, blue birds are chirping. How many syllables? 5. So a haiku poem has 5 syllables in the first line, 7 syllables in the second line, and then it has 5 syllables in the third line. So it's a 3-line poem, 5, 7, 5, okay, for your syllables. And haiku poems are usually about nature. Okay, if you notice, the first poem talks about spring. And then the second poem talks about the beach. Okay, so it usually talks about nature. So think of nature and think of how you could make a 3-line poem with 5 syllables in the first line, 7 syllables in the second line, and 5 syllables in the third line. Okay, and then you will turn to page 9 in your poetry book and write your 3-line poem here, and then draw your picture here, and you can decorate the border, decorate the outside as well. Have fun!